Welcome to the Entrepreneur Addict's 5-Minute Fix podcast, where we explore the latest entrepreneurship and startup culture. I'm your host, Igor Vainshtein, and today we're diving into the world of multi-cloud networking as Aviatrix takes a bold step forward with their latest product release, the Network Insights API. Aviatrix is a company that has steadily gained recognition as a leader in multi-cloud networking. For those unfamiliar, the core issue Aviatrix addresses is one that many cloud-based startups face as they scale, managing multiple cloud environments effectively. For entrepreneurs, managing these environments can often feel like navigating a maze with no clear direction. That's where Aviatrix steps in, providing a solution that offers visibility and control across different cloud platforms, such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Their latest innovation, the Network Insights API, is specifically designed to solve a major pain point in cloud management: lack of transparency and insight into cloud networks. This is especially crucial for startups where real-time decision-making can make or break their progress. When things go wrong in a cloud environment, whether it's a performance issue or a security threat, the ability to quickly identify and address the problem can significantly reduce downtime and operational costs. Aviatrix's new API offers precisely that, giving businesses a much clearer view of their cloud networking operations. Entrepreneurs often talk about the importance of agility in the business world, particularly in the fast-paced environment of a startup. This agility depends on having the right tools to respond to changes or problems in real time. With the integration of observability tools such as Prometheus, Datadog, and Metrics, Aviatrix's Network Insights API provides a holistic view of network performance. These integrations allow startups to tap into real-time data and metrics, helping them better manage their resources and ensure that their cloud infrastructure is performing optimally. Audi, one of Aviatrix's high-profile customers, is already using the Network Insights API to great effect. The technical lead at Audi, Ryan Wiley, has shared how this API allows his team to consolidate network metrics from multiple cloud providers into one dashboard. This consolidation is key for entrepreneurs managing a startup with resources spread across different cloud platforms. You no longer need to switch between multiple tools or dashboards, wasting valuable time and effort. Instead, Aviatrix provides a centralized hub where everything you need to monitor cloud performance is at your fingertips. Now, why does this matter to entrepreneurs and startup founders? First, it speaks to efficiency. Time is money, especially in the tech world where delays in resolving issues can lead to significant revenue loss or, even worse, customer churn. For startups that rely on cloud infrastructure, being able to quickly diagnose and fix problems is essential. Aviatrix's solution significantly reduces the mean time to resolution for cloud-related issues, allowing businesses to focus on innovation rather than troubleshooting. Second, it addresses the issue of scalability. Startups often face growing pains as they transition from a small team with limited infrastructure to a larger organization with complex multi-cloud needs. Aviatrix helps startups navigate this transition smoothly by offering scalable solutions that grow alongside the business. This is particularly important in today's environment where more startups are adopting hybrid or multi-cloud strategies to maximize flexibility and minimize vendor lock-in. The Network Insights API ensures that even as your cloud environment becomes more complex, you maintain control and visibility. It's also worth mentioning the broader trend towards cloud-native tools and open-source platforms, which Aviatrix has fully embraced with this release. The Network Insights API integrates with popular open-source projects such as Prometheus and Metrics. This is significant because it aligns with the open-source movement that has been gaining momentum in the startup ecosystem. Open-source tools provide flexibility and customizability, two factors that are incredibly valuable to entrepreneurs who need to tailor their tech stack to meet specific business needs. Aviatrix is also pushing forward with its distributed cloud firewall for Kubernetes, which was introduced earlier this year. This product is designed to provide secure cloud-native networking for Kubernetes environments, a critical feature for startups using containerized applications. Kubernetes is increasingly becoming the platform of choice for startups because it allows for easy deployment and management of containerized applications at scale. By integrating security into Kubernetes environments, Aviatrix ensures that startups can not only scale quickly, but do so securely. Entrepreneurs should pay attention to the increasing convergence of cloud-native tools and traditional networking platforms. Aviatrix's Network Insights API is a perfect example of this convergence. It bridges the gap between the complex cloud environments that startups often operate in and the need for visibility, control, and security. This type of solution is precisely what businesses need to stay competitive in a world where cloud adoption is no longer an option, but a necessity. For those who may be unfamiliar, observability has become a buzzword in the cloud computing world. But it's more than just a trend, it's an essential feature for managing complex systems, particularly for startups that are scaling rapidly. Observability refers to the ability to monitor, measure, and analyze a system's internal state by looking at its outputs, such as logs, metrics, and traces. With observability tools like Prometheus and Datadog, Aviatrix is enhancing the ability of businesses to understand what's happening inside their cloud networks. For entrepreneurs, this means fewer surprises and more control over the health and performance of their cloud infrastructure. There's also a strategic aspect to Aviatrix's move that entrepreneurs should note. By adding support for open-source observability tools, Aviatrix is positioning itself as a key player in the cloud-native ecosystem. This signals a broader trend toward open standards and interoperability in cloud technologies, which is great news for startups. Why? Because open standards ensure that you're not locked into using a single vendor's tools or services. You have the flexibility to choose the best tools for your business needs, and you can switch them out as your company grows or your needs change. Entrepreneurs who are building their tech stack should be looking for solutions that offer this kind of flexibility. From a competitive standpoint, Aviatrix is going up against some heavy hitters in the cloud space, including the built-in services offered by cloud giants like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. However, the fact that Audi and other large enterprises are adopting Aviatrix's solutions shows that they are offering something that even these cloud giants don't: a unified multi-cloud platform that offers both visibility and control. This is important because as startups scale, they often find themselves using more than one cloud provider. Managing multiple clouds can be a nightmare without the right tools in place. Aviatrix solves this problem by giving businesses a single platform to manage all their cloud environments. In addition to this, Aviatrix has formed strategic partnerships with companies like Megaport, a network function virtualization vendor. This partnership further enhances Aviatrix's cloud networking capabilities, offering services such as routing, encryption, and visibility on private edge networks. For startups looking to scale globally, these kinds of partnerships are crucial. They provide the infrastructure needed to expand operations securely and efficiently, whether you're operating in a single region or multiple countries. This move is also a testament to Aviatrix's forward-thinking approach. They are not just reacting to the needs of the market. They are anticipating future challenges and building solutions to address them. As an entrepreneur, this is the kind of company you want to keep an eye on because they are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in cloud networking. Their solutions are designed not just for today's needs, but for the future, which is exactly the kind of thinking that entrepreneurs need to adopt if they want to stay ahead in an ever-changing market. Entrepreneurs should also take note of the leadership behind Aviatrix. Doug Merritt, the company's CEO, brings with him years of experience from his time at Splunk, a company known for its data analytics solutions. Merritt's focus on serving underserved buyers like network engineers and IT operations teams is a strategic move that entrepreneurs can learn from. By addressing the pain points of a specific group of users, Aviatrix is not only building a loyal customer base, but also creating products that solve real problems. This is a lesson for any startup founder. Identify your customers' pain points and create solutions that address them directly. Moreover, Merritt's experience in driving a business model and technological shift at Splunk is likely to serve Aviatrix well as they continue to push into the cloud-native world. His leadership will be crucial in guiding the company through its next phase of growth, particularly as it competes with larger players in the cloud space. Entrepreneurs should watch how Aviatrix navigates these challenges, as there are valuable lessons to be learned in how they balance innovation with execution. In conclusion, Aviatrix's launch of the Network Insights API is a significant step forward for startups and entrepreneurs operating in the cloud space. It provides the tools and insights needed to manage complex multi-cloud environments, offering both visibility and control in a way that few other solutions can. For entrepreneurs, this means more agility, better scalability, and the ability to focus on growing your business rather than managing your infrastructure. As Aviatrix continues to innovate, we can expect even more groundbreaking solutions that will help startups navigate the complexities of the cloud. Thanks for tuning in to today's quick dive into the world of startups. If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to leave a 5-star review. And hey, if you're looking to connect with other entrepreneurs, join my free community using the link in the show notes below. Stay inspired, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next episode.